In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change DNS in GoDaddy. If you need to update a DNS record for your domain, GoDaddy makes the process fairly straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact path inside your account so you can quickly find the right setting and make your change with confidence. To begin, open the GoDaddy website in your browser. Make sure you're on the official homepage. And if you haven't already signed in, go ahead and log into your account. It's always a good idea to double-check that you're using the correct account, especially if you manage more than one domain. Once you're signed in, look for your Profile section. Click on your profile to open the account menu. This is where GoDaddy groups together the main account options and product management tools. From that menu, click My Products. This page shows the services and domains connected to your account, and it's the main area you'll use to manage them. If you have several products listed, take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct one before moving forward. Next, click Domains. This will bring you to the section where your domain names are listed. Find the domain you want to work on, and then continue to its management area. After that, click DNS. This opens the DNS management page for that domain. This is the section where you can view and manage the different DNS records connected to your website, email, or other services. Depending on your setup, you may see records like A records, CNAME records, TXT records, or others. Under DNS records, locate the specific DNS record you want to change. Take your time here because editing the wrong record can affect how your domain connects to your website or other services. Once you find the correct record, simply hover over it and click Edit. At that point, you'll be able to update the record details as needed. Before saving any changes, review the information carefully to make sure everything is correct. Even a small typo in a DNS value can cause connection issues, so accuracy is important. And that's it. That's how to change DNS in GoDaddy. After you save your update, keep in mind that DNS changes may not happen instantly. In some cases, they can take a little time to fully propagate. If this video helped you, you can use these same steps anytime you need to manage DNS records in your GoDaddy account.